How's it going? So we're back in the shed again, just organising all the camping gear, recovery gear, etc. And back over here, we've got, yes, sorry about the chainsaw noise, I've got people cutting trees down for me, so going to be a bit of background noise. Anyway, today we're looking at the old Chaos Camping Outdoor Shower Kit. Now, yes, poor man pays twice in this case. I bought the Adventure Kings shower kit, and I mean, it worked fine. We went to Northern Territory and we actually used it for almost 2 weeks, no problem. And I remember reading someone comment that if you leave water in the motor, it rusts out and then jams. Well, yeah, after using an NT for almost 2 weeks, we were on the Eyre Peninsula a few months ago now, and we're bush camping and plugged it into the battery, no good. It's a bit puzzled why things weren't happening. And then motor started smoking, so assume that that thing burnt out, rusted up and burnt out. Now, good thing it was only like $20 or something, I don't know, they're not expensive. Now, did a bit of research and it was either this one from Chaos or the one from Kick-Ass. I like the idea of it being battery powered, so you don't have to plug it into the AGM. So we're going to give this a shot. We'll go away in a trip in a few weeks, so about 4 weeks, 5 weeks. So we're going to give this a shot, and hopefully, well, I don't think hopefully, I'm pretty sure it'll be better. Don't need to mess around with the cabling and stuff, and I'll just show you the box. What have we actually got here? Got anything else on it? Really well packaged from Chaos. Got a bit of gear from them, and I'm very happy with it. Have a look on the back. Included parts, or included items. I mean, if I was happy with a 4-drive Super Center one, I'm pretty sure this will do what I need it to do. Yeah, let's have a look inside. Awesome packaging. Look at this bag. Put on Chaos. Waterproof bag. Nice and neat. Once again, sorry about the chainsaw in the background. Got a climber up in the tree doing a bit of cutting. Okay, what do we got here? Instruction manual. And charging cable, suction cap, and shower head. And the shower hose. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Little battery setup. Now it's submersible, so it drops into the bucket, and the motor drops into the bucket, and then away you go. I mean, I'm going to charge it up, just make sure it works before I put it back into the tub over there. but yeah, they've got warranty on this, and I'm just going to test it, make sure it runs, and then put it in there. I mean, look at the quality of this. I mean, I know it says they're made in China, but I mean, I'm one of those people that, you know, I doubt that they would go to the trouble of making something such well presented if it were unreliable. Now, you know, again, flame me all you like with the Adventure Kings one. It was only cheap, and it actually worked for a fair amount of time. And I knew that with a bit of moisture left in it, it would probably corrode and rust out. So, I mean, this looks like it's got all stainless steel bits. So, I mean, I took care of the Adventure Kings one. Blew it out with air every time I finished, but obviously it doesn't have stainless steel parts in it. I mean, I'm no expert in it. And it rusted and jammed, and the thing smoked. So, it was dead. And yeah, it's now in the bin. We'll see how we go. I have no doubt that this Chaos product will be great. There it is. Rechargeable shower kit.